I'm at 542 North, 3rd West in Rigby. This is a pretty large 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. From the front door, you walk into the living room. And the first bedroom's here on your left. This back door leads to a fenced backyard. This is the laundry room area. Has a sink and cabinets, well, the washer and dryer hookups. And the bathroom is here. Another bedroom. And the 3rd bedroom. Pretty big rooms. This bedroom has an access door to the outside, to the front. And the kitchen. And a dining room area, room for a kitchen table. If you'd like to tour the property, you can give us a call at 208-552-7368. Thank you.